up, everyone? My name is Natalie. I just wanted to talk about this. And most of the people don't even know what this is, but for the people who does know it, knows exactly what it does to you. And I want to talk a little bit with the mental part when it comes to it, because when it comes to trading, most of the times no one actually does explain to you what trading does to you. Because I think if you would tell anyone about it, then people would be like, nah, no, it's okay, I would rather not do that. Because when it comes to trading, no one told me what I had to go through for me to be where I am today. As I said, no one actually talks about what trading does to you with the mental part. And I do completely understand everyone that does not continue with trading, because trading is really tough and you really need to be a real badass for you to be able to do it and even continue. Even if you're not even becoming a full-time trader, I mean, there's a lot of things that you have to go through to even get to that place. For me, it was the toughest journey I've ever, even walked through, because trading is a lifestyle, whether you want to, whether you are a full-time trader or not, because as long as you're trying to educate yourself, you still have to go through so many things that pushes you to like the deepest parts of your soul. Because when it comes to trading, first of all, you have to understand what the hell this even is. I know exactly why the market is going down at this moment. I know exactly why the market did bounce off this level before. I know so many things when it comes to the charts, but you still have to have the mental part of it. It's two things. You have to know the charts, and then you have to know yourself. That is two things that you have to know when it comes to it. And a lot of people are like, yeah, I can do that. It's tough, trust me. I think this is like announced the hardest thing that you could ever do, because when it comes to trading, it takes out so many things within you that you never even knew that you had within you. It brings out your behavior, because whatever happens on the charts, you will react to it. And when it comes to money, we're all connected to money in every way and form. And most of us are grown up in a society or with families that don't even know anything about money. My parents never taught me anything when it comes to money. And in school, no one, they never spoke about money, what it is. So now, what I did was that I created a really bad relationship towards money. I had to learn to take away that behavior from me, because it's not me, it's just a behavior that I have because no one did taught me better when it comes to it. And then of course, I am my own person. I have my own difficulties when it comes to certain things. We all have different things that we struggle with. But I remember when I was going into it, I never knew that the market would, I never knew what got myself into. But kind of fast, I did realize like, okay, I have a lot of trouble when it comes to money with my mindset. And it's so funny how God gave me this gift and how God gave me this opportunity for me to do this. Me having those troubles when it came to money, and then me actually putting in the work to do it. It's been a real struggle, I can tell you that. But I'm so happy trading came into my life, because it was what I did ask for. I just didn't know it was supposed to come in this form. For anyone that is a trader, that want to become a trader or is developing to become a trader, I hope that each and every one of you will succeed. If you don't, I totally understand that, because trading is very special and you have to have a real strong mindset, and you have to have really strong goals to why you want to do it. So you have to have really strong desires. You have to have a soul calling for this. It's very special. It's a very special thing to be part of. It's a very special thing to educate yourself in, and it will take you to places you never thought that even existed, because it takes you to the nightmare. And the thing is that the chart doesn't have any emotions. So every time you feel sad, angry, all of these emotions that the chart is bringing out of you, and also taking away your money, it never have to explain itself to you. It just leave you with all of that. That's the hard part when it comes to trading, is that it just leave you. You cannot explain yourself. You can't call someone and say, hey, you know what? I want my money back. You can't do anything. The only thing that you can do is sit down. Do I handle this situation, or do I continuing to ignore this situation? We repeat the same lessons over and over again until we actually choose to learn, because it is a decision that you have to make. Is, do I choose to continue from here or not? Because that is the decision that you have to make when it comes to trading. Of course, when it comes to everything. But trading is a very specific, and especially when it will change your life in so many different ways when it comes to it, not only financially, because that's why we all want to become traders, right? But it also changes you as a person for the better. That's the thing. The beauty with when it comes to trading is that it changed everything in your life to the beauty, because not only do you get rich, not only do you have financial freedom when it comes to it, not only are you really smart because you have created a skill set for yourself, a skill set that is worth billions, I would say millions, because that is what you can create on the charts with a skill set, right? What trading also does to us is that it makes you a really beautiful person, because you need to be really humble. The market, it knocks you down over and 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 over again. It knocks you down. So for anyone coming in and be rude to someone that does trading, you don't even know. So for everyone that's talking shit about when it comes to trading, these are the people who is not part of the people that are successful and will ever be. Because when you are a trader, whether you are of the 9% or not, you know that you have to be humble. You know that you have to respect the charts. You know that you have to love the chart. You need to have a really good relationship with the charts. And for you to be able to have a good relationship with the charts, you also need to have a really good relationship with yourself. So trading technically forces you to meet yourself for you to be able to earn. You have to earn it when it comes to trading. You have to earn it. And when you earn it, well deserved, because you are a fucking star if he does that. You are a star. 100%. I respect everyone that's a trader. Everyone. I don't care who you are, what you've been doing. I respect you because you have been doing trading, and trading is really tough. So yeah, that's a little bit thoughts when it comes to trading and me. And have a great day, everyone. I love you. Never stop being you, right?